In round 2, start with a chain stitch and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Insert hook into the first stitch, where we just worked the slip stitch of last round. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The first single crochet is done. Mark the first single crochet. Always remember to mark the first stitch of every round. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Two single crochets are in the same stitch. That's 1 increase.
Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done.
There are 2 V's on the side. Now work the second increase. First, put 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Two single crochets are in the same stitch. The second increase is done. There are 4 V's on the side. Continue to work 4 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. We can see there are 2 stitches here. One is the slip stitch of the previous round, and the other one is the chain stitch of this round. They are not counted into the number of stitches. Skip this 2 V shape and with 1 slip stitch in the mark stitch. Insert a hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook and put up a loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then put the first loop on hook through the original loop on the hook. That's a slip stitch. The slip stitch is a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch and then work a cycle of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first, yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work a cycle of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times. First, with 1 single crochet in the first stitch where we just with the slip stitch of last round. Mark the first stitch. In the next stitch, with 1 increase. With 1 single crochet first. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. There are 3 of these on the side. One set is done. The second set, with 1 single crochet. Next, with 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. The second set is done. Keep working 4 more sets. With 1 single crochet and 1 increase is 1 set. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and with 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done.